He's going for it.
That got scary.
Oh my God, Sean. It's a snake. It's fucking big.
Actually, you know what? It might not be a rattlesnake. It might just be imitating.
Oh, it's going in the hole. It's going in the hole. Dad, get out of here. I'm fucking hauling after it. That shit's big as no. I was like underground bunker.
My thing wasn't recording. I was like, oh shit.
I'm fucking scared to walk on it.
Dude, I don't even want to go in there because I was like, I don't know what the fuck. I want to go in it so bad. Oh my God, dude, wait, is that a dumpster thing? The thing of the thing? Oh. Right there. Is that the thing for the bucket?
What do you mean?
You know the bucket for bold or whatever they called? The bobcat things?
Nah, that's
Because it has the hinges right there.
Plastic.
Oh yeah, I see a crack in it. Never mind. Dude.
Can you go in there?
You can. I
You can go in through there. I found a lucky penny right there.
yeah, I know.
I'm going in there. That is fucking crazy. I gotta take another video.
Dude, this is awesome.
You heard that?
Yeah. Oh, you know what? That's how you get over here. The trailer here.
They actually found on that. Oh my God.
Dude, the tarp goes. Dude, they put tarp all over this thing.
I wonder how far it goes.
It only goes.
Yeah. It only goes.
From what we.
You know, whatever you do, don't fall in this hole here.
Yeah.
Don't even. It might collapse like right there.